Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Ford Explorer louder. We'll dive into various methods, from simple part swaps to more comprehensive system overhauls. It's important to understand the components involved and to be mindful of local noise regulations before making any changes. We'll also explore how different modifications can affect your vehicle's overall sound profile and performance. One of the most direct ways to enhance your Explorer's sound is by upgrading the exhaust system. Swapping out your stock muffler for a performance model can significantly increase volume and improve tone. For a more comprehensive change, a catback exhaust system replaces everything from the catalytic converter back, offering a deeper, richer sound. You might also consider a resonator delete for a truly aggressive note. Beyond the main exhaust components, other modifications can also contribute to a louder Explorer. Installing a cold air intake, for example, can subtly increase engine induction noise, adding to the overall auditory experience. It's also wise to check for any existing exhaust leaks, as these can create an undesirable, raspy sound. Always ensure any new parts are installed correctly to prevent rattles or an annoying drone. When modifying your vehicle, professional installation is highly recommended to ensure everything is done safely and correctly, maximizing performance and sound quality. Be mindful that aftermarket modifications could potentially affect your vehicle's warranty, so it's always a good idea to check with your dealer beforehand. Also, for those who love to read, check out the link in the description for the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.